Hi there, it's Grant here. I just wanted to shoot this video today because yesterday the crypto market had a bit of a bloodbath as Bitcoin plunged 9%, sank below 25k on Binance as August turns out to be very ugly. Following on from pretty much the crypto market not doing anything for a while. So it's been, generally it's been a pretty boring August, but it's turned into a bloodbath as 2/3 of leverage funds positions are short. One of the observers said noted that the bearish buyer of sophisticated traders. So there was a big sell-off in Bitcoin in the funds, which forced a sell-off in other parts of the market. Let's look at the headline. So Bitcoin runs in selling pressure as rates go higher and Wall Street turns risk averse. The Fed have said they're going to increase rates again, which has spooked the market and the crypto market, hence why there was a big sell-off. Let's just have a quick look at this article. So Bitcoin tumbled 9% yesterday. Buying on Binance, Bitcoin sank below 25,000. And as pretty much because Wall Street is turning more risk averse and people are pulling money out of their investments, including Bitcoin. And obviously the Bitcoin slumped. Ethereum slumped about 11%. So yesterday was not a good day in crypto. So it says here US interest rates hit multi-year highs. So among the factors behind the selling is a continued surge in global interest rates. I know here in the UK we're going to get another rate rise. So interest rates obviously if they raise it, the Fed raises interest rates. That means people have less money to basically spend on investments, and hence that's going to have a knock-on effect on liquidity. So less people can put money into assets like Bitcoin, and also can spook, investors and funds, hence why we had a big sell-off yesterday. But there is a silver lining. Well, there's two silver linings. So you may not have heard the spot Bitcoin ETF hopes. So recently BlackRock, which is the world's largest asset manager with 20 trillion under management, applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF fund, which would basically, if it gets approved, would give its investors huge exposure to Bitcoin. I know other funds have done it as well. The SEC is looking at this, and it is widely accepted. If BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF gets approved along with others, Bitcoin could 3 to 5x overnight because huge amounts of money will start pouring into Bitcoin. Now, when the SEC will make any decision on this is very unknown. Some people are saying it could be, in the next couple of weeks or the next month or so. Others are saying it's unlikely to be in 2023. It's more likely to be in 2024. We just do not know. But I think if this does get approved, and I think it will, BlackRock wants exposure to Bitcoin along with other trusts and asset managers. I think people want exposure to Bitcoin and crypto. This will happen, but when, we are not sure. But just know when it does get approved, the price of Bitcoin will pretty much 3 to 5x in a very short period of time. So where we are, we're probably I'll look at the price in a minute. We're probably around about $26,000, $25,000. So yeah, we're looking at around about $100,000. Some people saying it could go up to $150 overnight. And that's before even the crypto bull market returns. So what can we sort of really expect from Bitcoin and crypto for the rest of the year? Well, I think the rest of 2023, if I'm being honest, outside of these Bitcoin ETFs being approved, I think it's going to be choppy. A lot of very smart people are now saying that we could be heading into pretty nasty recession. Even some people saying there's going to be a huge stock market crash as the full sort of view of companies' profits are falling has not been realised yet to the open market. Obviously, the Fed's hiking interest rates, debt's really high. The dollar's going to be under attack come August 22nd, potentially from the announcement of BRICS, which could, if that gets announced and that is launched during the BRICS summit, that could have really negative impacts on the dollar. And obviously the overall stock market. So I think the future for the crypto market for 2023 is it's going to be choppy. I mean, there's going to be a lot of negativity. Not negative. I mean, there's going to be quite a lot of volatility. Obviously, if we get a massive recession and the stock markets crash, as many are predicting, a lot of investors are going to be hiking their money out of the markets and crypto, and it's not out of the realms of possibility that crypto could see another significant fall similar to what we saw last year, but I don't know. But obviously the big thing of that is obviously these Bitcoin ETFs. That, here's the thing you need to think. A lot of people think, oh no, crypto's dead, market's crashing, oh, let's stay away from Bitcoin. But I truly believe in Bitcoin and crypto for many reasons. I think it could potentially down the line be another viable way for people to store value, increase their wealth, and also buy stuff, especially with the sinister talks of CBDC and a global CBDC coming in, which would be very, very bad for the global public, because that global CBDC will allow the governments to basically control our money, control our spending, and pretty much control our lives. So Bitcoin and cryptos in general, but especially Bitcoin, is a way out of that. And that is why global governments, SEC, really want to crush crypto, because they do not want tons of people using Bitcoin and crypto. So now, well, obviously this isn't financial advice, but when the market slides is when the time is to buy. And I think huge investors like BlackRock and Fidelity, they want to rush their money into Bitcoin, because next year is going to be the year of a crypto bull run. Bitcoin's halving's happening next year, and probably between now and then the SEC will make its announcements on obviously the Bitcoin spot ETF. So I think rest of 2023 is going to be a bit dicey unless we get the announcement from the SEC on these Bitcoin spot ETFs. But I think 2024 is going to be where the money comes back into crypto and Bitcoin, especially on the back of Bitcoin's halving, which is next April or May. And obviously, if BlackRock's spot ETF gets approved, that's going to be billions of dollars are going to be pouring into Bitcoin, and that's going to filter down into other cryptos, which is going to make crypto prices so at the moment, obviously there's a bit of negativity about crypto, but I still see a lot of upside about Bitcoin. I still think billions, if not trillions of money is going to flow into Bitcoin in the coming years as people realize how powerful Bitcoin and the crypto ecosystem is in order for protecting people's wealth, growing people's wealth, but also having an alternative to fiat currencies and the control of the governments around the world. So whilst obviously, yes, there was a bit of a negative day, and rest of 2023 is going to be choppy, I mean, the outlook for crypto in the big picture is going to be very, very positive. You just have to, at the end of the day, if you believe in crypto, you have to stick with it and just ride out the storms that are going to be inevitably coming, as you'll be handsomely rewarded down the line. So let's look at the prices also. Before I look at the crypto prices, Tika Tawari is one of the world's leading crypto experts in the world, has been warning people about US digital dollar, CBDC coming, and the US. If you want to protect yourself against that, and learn how to invest in crypto. Get Tika's best crypto tips, and he'll show you how to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and give you his best crypto picks. Why not join the Plunges letter? It's just $49, which is 75% off the normal price. I've been a member for 18 months. I absolutely love it. It's really helped me with my crypto investing, and I think it can help you too, especially with the very scary times that are coming in the financial markets. So if you want to join, I'll link to this down below, and you can join for $49. You get a 60-day money back guarantee. So link to that down below in the description and comments. So let's just have a look at the crypto prices. So yeah, 24 hours Bitcoin has fallen 7.48%, and the 10-day low is at 10%. So Bitcoin's currently sitting at $26,400 roughly. Now Ethereum is at 1686. So yeah, and it's fallen roughly 8.72%. So yeah, big falls. Whether the markets rebound in the next couple of weeks, I'm not sure. Are we going to be staying at this level, or basically seeing we've had such a huge fall? Is a ton of money going to flow back into Bitcoin and crypto to take advantage of the low prices? I think it could be. I think we could have a volatile bounce. Again, that isn't financial advice. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to quickly return up to its roundabout its $30,000 peak we've been at now for a long time. But I think I think a lot of savvy investors are going to be pouring money into Bitcoin because 26,000's a pretty low price. So that's where we are with the crypto market. Big falls over the past 24 hours and the past 7 days in general. The rest of this year is going to be a bit choppy. It's going to be quite volatile, because there's going to be all sorts of different information coming out with rising interest rates. But then, obviously, if we do have a recession, stock market falls, Fed will have to start lowering interest rates and start printing money again to get more liquidity into the markets. Keep your eye out for the SEC and the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Definitely keep your eye out for next year in the crypto bull run. Bitcoin's halving. There's going to be a lot happening in crypto and the financial markets overall. So keep it here on the channel. So if you like the video, want to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to join Tika Tuari's Plumage letter so you can protect your wealth, grow your wealth, protect yourself against potential looming of the US digital dollar that's maybe going to be coming in. Why not join Tika's Plumage letter? It's just $49. Teaches a whole crypto course in there, so you can start investing in crypto and building up to the the crypto bull run in 2024. So link to this down below in the description. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you soon.